guys, you're watching Cait Shade Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best pepperoni bread. I don't say that lightly, I mean it 100%. This is the best pepperoni bread, hands down, and it is super easy, and it's going to become a new favorite of yours for sure. Everyone makes pepperoni bread. It's easy, it's great, it's perfect for parties and game day, but this is the best way to make it, and as always, it's super easy. So we're starting with a store-bought thin crust pizza. It's the best way. You don't have to make your own dough. Nice and simple. We're starting with that and preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Then, this is some of the stuff that makes it the best, trust me. We are going to add some garlic powder right to the inside of the dough. So I actually have like a garlic grinder here, but you could definitely just do regular garlic powder to keep it nice and simple. After that, same thing, you have a little Italian kind of spice blend here. It's a little bit of parsley, oregano, and a little bit of basil. We don't want to overdo it, but we're just going to kind of dump that same thing right to the inside of the dough because it's going to be wrapped up in our roll. Last thing, we're doing the same thing with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm telling you, it makes the difference. Just a little bit of parm right over our garlic powder and our other Italian spices. After that, all you have to do is start laying out your pepperoni. So I don't like to be stingy with my pepperoni. Some people would disagree and, you know, would really kind of spread it out. But I like to do a lot of pepperoni in my pepperoni bread. But pretty much just lay it out in rows like this, pretty much right up to the end of the dough. You are gonna wanna leave a little bit of room on the end because you don't want anything kind of coming out the side, but you definitely don't want that like extra doughy piece right at the end. So I usually use about one whole package, and this is an uncured pepperoni. I like uncured, it's just better for you. But you can use any type of pepperoni. You could even use turkey pepperoni if that's your thing, whatever. But one whole package should go into this. Now the best part about any type of like roll like this is it's pretty hard to mess up. So if you have a couple little extras and it's like not a perfect line, just throw it on the ends there. Doesn't really matter. As long as it's mostly even, that's what you're shooting for. We're then gonna take a little bit of shredded mozzarella and just do it right over top as well. You're not gonna wanna go overboard with the cheese because you do wanna be able to roll up this roll, but you want it to be kind of cheesy too. So you're gonna have to kind of use your eye on it. I just take kind of some shredded cheese and just kind of lay it throughout evenly. But again, you don't wanna like pile it up too high because then it'll be harder for you to roll. So just a good amount of cheese. And now for the fun part, you just kind of fold up that first piece and then just continue to roll. It's okay if a little bit comes out while you're rolling, but we left that kind of end there so that we could press it down, and then we're gonna move it right to the center of our pan. You're then gonna wanna kind of tuck in the ends so that your cheese doesn't come out. Same thing on the other side. And then I like to kind of just like give it like a press down so that all my stuff is really tight in my roll. After that, it goes into your oven for about 15 minutes until your crust is golden brown. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown on top, and if you check with the spatula that it's cooked on the bottom as well. Everyone's oven is different, but it should take about 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and you have yourself a delicious pepperoni bread. I like to serve mine with a side of sauce because, let's be real, you want to dunk it in there because, I mean, why not? Make sure to subscribe to Cait Shade Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Shade Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.